Hey YouTube, this is my first video, and in my first video I'm going to show you my PvP build on Dark Souls. I hope you guys like it. It looks pretty cool. Got some nice defense but not a lot of boys, so you have to watch out for that one. At your right hand you got the Black Knight Sword +5 and you got the Sorceress Catalyzed. You only use the Sorceress Catalyzed for just Troll Alarm with Chameleon. You got on your left hand the Silver Knight Shield and the Longbow +10. For the head you got the Gold Helmet Black Hood, and at the chest you got the Armor of Astorius +5. At the hands you got Gauntlets of Astorius +5, and the legs you got the Gold Helmet Black Skirt. For this character you will need the DLC, so if you don't have the money for it, then you need to think of something else with kind of like the same weight. I recommend to buy the DLC because it's pretty cool and it gives a nice amount of souls and humanity for your gameplay. At the legs you got the Gold Helmet Black Skirt. For the arrows you got the Potion arrows and you got the large arrows. I choose large arrows because they skill the best with the Longbow +10, and Potion arrow for just trying to potion the enemies online. Then for the rings you got the Darkwood Grain Ring and Havel's Ring. Havel's Ring for the equipment load of your Armor of Astorius and the Gauntlets of Astorius. Usable items you can choose whatever you like. The Governant is a Dark Red Governant, of course, because you get the Red Eye Orb, so you can invade whenever you want if you got humanity. The level is 125, Vitality 40, Attunement 12, Endurance 65, Strength 40, Dexterity 22, Resistance 12, Intelligence 18, Fate 8, and right now I don't have any humanity. I underestimated the endurance. I thought 65 would be a pretty much endurance, but it's not as much as I actually hoped it would be, so you can still get rid of some vitality or whatever you want to add to your endurance. Well, this was my first video on my new YouTube channel of my Dark Souls PvP account, so I hope you guys like it, and then I'll see you guys next time. See you later.